When your shorts only get 0 views or just a few hundred, you often assume the issue is with your video itself. But that's not always true. Most of the time, the problem lies in how you upload. If you don't upload correctly, YouTube won't push your shorts into the Shorts feed. In this video, I'll explain key points, like the proper way to upload, whether to use mobile or PC, which hashtags to include, if descriptions matter, whether to leave tags blank, and even the best timing for posting. Let's get into it. You can upload shorts from the YouTube app, YT Studio, or the Chrome browser. But here's the catch. If you upload from Chrome in desktop mode, you won't be able to set a custom thumbnail or add trending music. That's why I avoid browsers completely. Instead, I stick to the YouTube mobile app and YT Studio for uploading. Here's the mistake most people make. They tap the plus button and upload directly. Don't do that yet. First, head to the Play Store and check for updates on both the YouTube app and YT Studio. If there's an update available, always install it before uploading. This step is very important. Do this every single time before posting shorts. Once updated, open the YouTube app, hit the plus button, and select Add. Choose the video you want, let it process, then click Done. On the right-hand side, you'll see several options, but ignore them for now. First, add music to your short. Always go for a trending or viral track, because YouTube tends to boost shorts that use them. Then hit Adjust. By default, your video audio will be muted, so tweak the volume balance as you like. Confirm with the check mark, then press Next. Now it's time for the thumbnail. At the top left corner, tap the pencil icon. If you've noticed, successful creators use the most striking frame of their shorts as the thumbnail. That's because eye-catching thumbnails grab clicks. But what if your short doesn't have a standout frame? Easy fix. Insert a catchy visual or text slide at the very end of your video, just 0.3 seconds long. When you upload, select that frame as your thumbnail. This trick works wonders for click-through rates. Now let's talk about titles. Keep them short, sharp, and engaging. A smart method is to start with 2 strong keywords. Example, iPhone 17 hidden feature. Why this works? People often skim only the first 2 words of a short's title, so make them count. Bonus tip, write those first 2 words in all caps for instant impact. Adding a relevant emoji at the end also helps make your title stand out. Example, garden hack that works. Next, hashtags. Only use ** shorts, * in your title. Don't overload your title with multiple hashtags because YouTube can treat them as spam. After finishing your title, don't publish right away. In the visibility setting, set it to unlisted first, then upload the short. Many think descriptions don't matter for shorts since viewers rarely read them. But YouTube's algorithm does, and it heavily factors into SEO. That's why shorts often dominate search results. A good description gives your video long-term visibility. After uploading, head to YT Studio, find your unlisted short, and tap the pencil icon to add your description. Start with a 1-line summary of your content. For example, unlock the hidden iPhone 17 feature that improves your experience. Then add 5 to 6 keywords. Tools like vidIQ can generate keyword ideas, or just type your topic into YouTube search and use the suggested terms. Separate keywords with commas. Finally, add 4 to 5 hashtags. Always start with hashtag shorts and hashtag viral shorts, followed by 2 to 3 tags related to your niche. Scroll down to more options. Add tags, while not very important for shorts, still use shorts and viral shorts, plus a few niche-specific tags, including your channel name. In the category section, match your content type. Disable the visible like count. This helps prevent viewers from skipping videos that look unpopular. For remixing, enable both video and audio. If others remix your short, it can boost your reach. Finally, change visibility to public and hit save. Last step, best upload times. Research shows unconventional hours like 1 a.m. can perform well since competition is low and global traffic is active. Generally, Friday evenings to Sunday afternoons are prime for engagement, as viewers scroll for entertainment more on weekends. If you're still struggling with 0 views, check out the other video linked. It's already helped many creators. Don't forget to like and subscribe.